Okay, this is an introduction to COVID Buddy. This is a progressive web application usable on both Android and iOS phones that was built for the COVID positive patients who happen to be a lot of them happen to be migrant workers in Singapore who are often like 30% of them are illiterate and many of them speak different languages. Like as you can see here, there's Bangla, there's Thai, there's Tamil, and I provided English and Mandarin as well. So this app can actually accurately take symptoms for these illiterate patients. We can also explain symptomatic medications and also patient results. So let me just go through how this works. Okay, so I'll just go through the English ones.
Hello, this app lets
So this is actually an introductory page, and after you use it, people press start, and we have both pictures of a symptom. This is shortness of breath, a very short question, and also
Do you have any shortness of breath?
so audio is often used very commonly for many patients who are illiterate, and they can select yes or no. So let's say they select no, then this is a cough, this is a sore throat. So every single picture has been tested with a group of at least like 40 people, and if 90% of the people can accurately identify the symptom just by the picture, then we'll use the picture. So as a result, we also have screening tools because many of the migrant workers who are affected by COVID may have salary or employment issues and are worried. So if they are very worried, they can click here and we will actually refer them to social workers or even non-governmental organizations that are on the ground that can sort out some of these issues. And of course, if they're really worried about the health, all these kind of things, we can put them to less employment-related resources, right? So down here, let's say down here everything is in Bengali, but for a doctor in a pandemic situation, let's say 100 of these patients are there and there's only 4 doctors, the doctor just takes the phone and presses this and all the results will be available in English. So if they have a phone or an electronic medical record system, they can actually scan this QR code and it actually goes into the system. So this allows us to actually collate a lot of information from these patients in low resource settings because the computer system, the moment it has internet, then it can actually upload everything. So by you seeing all of this, these are the medications that are already available.
If you have a cough, please take
Yeah, so these can then be explained to the patients because oftentimes COVID positive patients have these same symptoms. And in Singapore, we actually give them medication packs. Anyone with a respiratory disease, we'll give them, cough syrup and also like cetirizine, things like that. But how do we explain results? Go to COVID Buddy. There's a secret tab here that is only accessible by medical professionals. Down there, we can actually create a list of results. So if you're positive, you have normal chest x-ray, didn't take any bloods, and we are now going to be sending them to a community isolation facility, right? This is updated.
You are currently coronavirus positive.
And on top of that, this is actually available in Thai, for
การ
example.
ทดสอบของคุณแสดงว่าคุณมีโคโรนาไวรัส
So this is very important because many of these patients are rapidly triaged and they're sent to isolation facilities and they often don't know the results, right? And you're talking about thousands of patients. So the moment they have it, we actually explain these results in the native language and they can actually send the results to their families and friends because many of them we find have families in like Bangladesh who are illiterate. So this is how we explain both the results and also the medications, and we do all of this in environments that have very low internet. So the moment they access this website with a one-time internet connection, it works. It can work on in a ship, it can work in a dormitory, and we often give a Wi-Fi password in a medical post, and after they download this website, they don't need any more internet access after that. So thanks.